Hi there, folks. This is going to be part 2 of my Montana mixing bowl stove. Now, I uploaded a video last summer where I showed a different version of this, and this has a few upgrades, so that's what this video is about. And let me apologize right now for the editing and the over dubbing of the audio here because of it's a little choppy. So, at any rate, what you're looking at is just a little test burn of this stove, and I've added a few things to the original version. One is that computer fan you see there. I just plugged it in. I've got it hooked up to a 110, just a router power supply, but it can be run off of a solar panel, small battery, whatever have you. Very little draw. It's a computer fan. So, and then you'll see there's copper lines running in both sides there. The one on the left allows me to inject alcohol, oil, or any kind of flammable liquid into the burn chamber, and the two on the right are a heat exchange that I take off heat through conduction on the bottom of the mixing bowl. And I intend to put sand, another plate, insulation, and yet another plate on that. This will all make sense later when you see the pictures, and I apologize for that. So here you see it's a top load situation. I have different burn baskets I've made that I can put in there. Some you can put sticks, charcoal briquettes, whatever have you, pellets like I did on this one, and that will all burn. Now you can stop any of these pictures and have a look, but see that right there? There is a 1/4 inch plate steel, 1.5 inch stock, and a bolt that runs all the way down through the middle. That's just the lid you're looking at there. And then on the other side you see copper line, and one is for water. That'll fill that part with sand, right? Sheet of steel over it, insulation, another sheet of steel, and it might not be sand, it might be some other conductive material. Ideas on that, whatever you guys think. Now here you'll see, and I'll just show you the machine work, that line goes into a bolt which I've drilled all the way through. See the plate and the piece of steel there? That's just to absorb the energy through conduction, and then put it all the way through to the bottom, where that the idea is it will heat up that oil to the flash point and hit the bottom of the burn basket and be able to smoke, and with the addition of the air, get a clean combustion. We'll see on that. I'm gonna have that'll be the next video when I finish off all that. So I just wanted to put something up so you guys can see it, comment on it, and see what you think, really. So the rest of it is just going to be the end. You can see that there's one of the burn baskets. I've made many different styles of that, depending on what I need. This one's actually a little tall. See how it's sitting up there? It's supposed to sit on those other pieces. But here I've burned all those pellets all the way down to coals, and of course it's on because you can see the fan is blowing a very light breeze through it. There I'm struggling to get it out of there because the hole is a little bit smaller than it probably should be, and that stuff expanded a little. But you can see there's a lot of possibilities. Now those coals sit down above the plate, and so the idea is I'll be able to heat up water with that. So again, this is just a demo video, so thank you guys so much for your comments. I really enjoy all this very much, and I'm just going to leave it at that. So until next time.